Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through recovery mode on a Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And you cannot go off power button when you see your logo on your screen. And from here you have to select wipe data factory reset and then press power button to confirm your choice. And now move to factory data reset and press power button again. Then select reboot system now. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.